Come test drive this 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Volkswagen paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power front seats. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Volkswagen's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 112-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.